to my phonics sessions, especially for preschoolers. Today we are going to learn a new sound. I have some objects in front of me. When I hold the object up, can you say what you see? Yes, that's right. We have a snowman, a swan, the sun, a snake, and a snail. All of these things start with the S sound. Can you say S for me? Can you say S quietly? Can you say S loudly? S. And can you say S to Tabitha, our listening bear? S. Well done. I'm going to teach you how to play the flashcard game. If I hold up a S, I want you to say S to me. And if I show you a picture of the sun, I want you to say sun. Are you ready? S. S. Sun. S. Sun. S. Fantastic. The S sound looks like this. We start at the top and we go all the way around. Start at the top and we go all the way around. Are you going to try with your magic fingers? Start at the top and go all the way around. And now some things for you to try at home to keep practicing the S sound. Why not write the sound in sand using a paintbrush? Just like this. Or you could go on a sound hunt around the house and look for other things starting with the S sound. I'm sure there are lots and lots. If you're feeling creative, why not decorate a S on a piece of paper? You could cut out things from a magazine and stick them on, or you might want to just do some painting or colouring, or maybe get some printers and do some stamping on the S sound. Well, we've reached the end of today's session. Remember to keep practicing with the oral blending and segmenting, and you will find videos on this on my channel. If this has been useful in any way, then please could you subscribe to my channel? It would be really helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.